SoCal Shelby's car meet in Irvine.
Check mic. Everyone, we do have restrooms inside the facility. We do have restrooms, and if you need to use the restroom, clean up there, just follow the patio where the umbrellas are over there. Follow to the beautiful facility. We do have restrooms in there, and the food will be open right inside there at 9 o'clock. So we'll sit food there, get some coffee over here. Let's go. SoCal Shelby, Shelby back 2025. Thank you.